Good morning, my dear students. Today we again start our virtual class. You are going to class 4 to class 5. Today we discuss the lesson number 5. We are already discussed lesson number 1 to lesson number 4. 1 to lesson number 4. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4, class 4 annual exam. So we start lesson number 5 because same book is continued to class 5. No extra book will be there. Only this book, class 4 and 5, the same book. Okay. So today we start again our French class. And one thing I told you that video recording as usual going on your group, but one day I take your one interaction class to students and teacher and parents also. If anybody any doubt about this subject, pronunciation problem, sound problem, any problem, anything, any problem, that time you have to clarify on this. Okay. So no anybody any problem you have to mark it, you have to identify it, and this class you have to told me. I have to rectify your all problem. Okay. So today we start lesson number 5. Everybody open lesson number 5. Everybody open it, lesson number 5. Everybody open lesson number 5. I think everybody open page number 26, lesson number 5. Dans la classe. Sorry. Dans la classe means in the classroom. Relier les colonnes. That means match the columns. Here is left side 1 to 8 and right side A to H. So you have to matching to two columns. So I write in the board, you write in your copy. Here is the avoir verb. You already know class 4 the avoir verb. Avoir verb means to have verb. Okay. So here the matching the avoir verb. Left side is subject. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Je that means I, tu that means you, il that means he, elle that means she, nous that means we, vous that means you, il or elle that means they. And right side here is the conjugation form. So I write in the board, you write in your copy. Okay, see the board. Today's date is 21st. Today start our new session, 21st April 2021. At first put the date. Put the date. Today's date is Today's date is 21st April 2021. Day is Wednesday. Subject French. Today topic lesson 5, page 26. Page 26, lesson 5. Relier les columns. That means matching the columns. Relier. Relier. Relier les columns. That means matching the columns. COLONNES. COLONNES. That means matching the column. Number 1. J apostrophe. So here is the matching. C AI. J. Who know the our verb? Who know the our verb? Easily to understand that. Because this verb already discussed in class 4. Thu. That means G. R. Number 3. Il. That means F. R. 4. L. That means H. R. 5. Nu. Nu. That means A. Avant. Nous avons. AVONS. Nous avons. Number 6. Vous. Vous. That is D. Avez. Vous avez. 7. Il. ILS. Il. That is B. On. ONT. Zone. And 8. ELLES. E. That means zone. So I repeat again. J. I have. Tu as. That means you have. Il a. He has. Elle a. She has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You have. Ils ont. They have. Elles ont. They have. So exercise 1 is complete. So write it. I think everybody see the board properly. Okay. Next one, meteo feminine. Meteo feminine, that means convert to feminine form. Meteo feminine, that means convert to feminine form. Now I erase it. Exercise 1, I have to erase it. Two, meteo feminine. Meteo feminine. That means put the feminine form. Put the feminine form. Meteofemina. That means put the feminine form. I only convert in feminine. Only I put the only answer. 1. Okay, I question and answer both. I write it. Il est français. He is French. Il est français. So il is convert to al. That means she. A same, no change because there is a verb. Then français. F-R-A-N, c'est-à-dire A-I-S. That is the masculine, adding E in the feminine. Français in française. Il is convert to al. That means he is convert to she. A is français in French, masculine, then adding E in the feminine form. Okay? Number 2. Il est mince. Il est mince. He is thin. Il is convert to L. E-double-L-E-L. Then A is same, no change. And you know very well that which word is ending with E in the masculine form, there is the same form in feminine. If the word ending with E in the masculine form, there is the same form in feminine. So mass is already ending with E. So when it is converted in feminine, that is M-I-N-C-E, mass, same form, no change. Number 3, tu es japonais. You are Japanese. Tu es japonais. Japonais. Okay? Tu is the subject, same form, no change. Then A is the verb. A is the verb. So that is the same form, no change. But Japonais is masculine form. That when you convert in feminine, adding E. Japonais, japonaise. Adding E. Okay? So write it. Number 4, il est beau. He is beautiful. Il est beau. He is beautiful. Il is convert to al. That means she. A is same, no change. And beau is convert to belle. That is feminine form. Beau is a masculine form, belle is a feminine form. She is beautiful. Nous sommes petits et intelligents. Nous sommes petits, P-E-T-I-T-S, petits, et and intelligent. Okay? So, nous is same, no change. Som is no change also. This is the verb. But petit convert in feminine. P-E-T-I-T, then adding E, then S. Petit, A and intelligent. E-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T-E-S, intelligent. 6. Ils sont sympathiques. They are sympathetic. Ils sont sympathiques. SYM Pathik PATHIQUES. No change. Il, sem, son, sem, and sympathic, no change because with E, ending with E. 7. C'est un garçon, il est mince. C'est un garçon, il est mince. This is a boy. C'est un garçon. This is a boy. C'est une fille. This is a girl. Il est mince. Il est mince. Il is converted to L. A mince. Okay. Next one. Vous êtes Soudian. Vous êtes Soudian. Vous êtes Soudian. No change. No change. Because there's already ending with E. Vous êtes Soudian. SOUDIENS. When you have to change, vous êtes Soudian. SOUDIENNES. Soudian. Write it. So today we discuss exercise 1 and exercise 2. You have to practice in your home in exercise 1 and exercise 2. If you any problem, any doubt, when I take your introduction class, you have to told me. And I also today give you the homework. Okay? I also give you the homework. Note down the homework. Note down the homework. Go to the page number 20. Go to the page number 20. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 is your homework. Lesson number 4, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Page number 20. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 is your homework. So today is for that. If you any problem, any doubt, when I take your interaction class or you call me, I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So till then, bye bye.